So we could find the definite area here. Oops, it's supposed to be dx. But we're asked to approximate the area to demonstrate the trapezoidal rule. So here's the graph of x squared. That's the function we were given. And so make an estimate of where 4 is. We're supposed to approximate that area using trapezoids. And so since they told us 4 subintervals, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4. We've got 4 nice trapezoids we're going to make. So that's all you have to do with the trapezoid rule, is just draw 4 trapezoids using the left and right endpoints of those intervals. Okay, so it's actually easier if we start for somewhere in the middle, because the first one will be a triangle. But if we draw a trapezoid under the area of this curve, then the left side of the trapezoid for the interval of 1 to 2 is going to be here, and then the right side on the graph is up here. So we're going to draw a straight line between those two because we're drawing a trapezoid, no curves. And so the area of that trapezoid is base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2. It's the average of those bases. So how long is this line segment? We can find that out by plugging 1 into our function, right, to find out where it is in the y-axis. So if you plug in 1, 1 squared makes 1. Here, and I'll draw this trapezoid off to the side. This is what we just found out. At x equals 1, y equals 1. So that's how long that line segment is. And then we want to know how long this line segment is, so plug 2 in to find out how far up off the x-axis we are. 2 squared makes 4 over here. And then this line is right here on my drawing. That's 1 across. That's the height of your trapezoid. So it's the average of the bases times the height. So there's my average of my bases, and the height is just 1. Okay, so that's the area of this trapezoid, so you just got to do that 3 more times. So we have another trapezoid from here to here. Here, I'm just going to add all the results. This one has a height, this base I should say is 4. We've already calculated that one. And then this base over here, 3 squared would make 9, so this is 9 on the y-axis over here. And then the height is still 1. And then this trapezoid over here, 3 squared makes, this line segment is 9. And then this one's going to be 16. So it's 9 plus 16 over 2 times 1. So we've got this trapezoid done. And the last one's just going to be a triangle, because when you draw a line from your left side to your right side, you'll see it makes a triangle. So that's why I didn't start with that one. So the height of this side is 0. The height of this side is 1. You could keep going with the trapezoid formula. 0 plus 1 over 2. You'll just see you're doing the area of a triangle when you do that. And then this side across is 1. And then if we add all those up, we've got the trapezoid. We've got the approximation using the trapezoidal rule. So the first one, 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. Second one, 13 divided by 2 is 6.5. Third one, that's 25 divided by 2, so that's 12.5. And then the fourth one, that's 1/2 times 1, so that's 0.5. So 22 is the area under the curve using the trapezoidal rule.